Hi there, welcome to Get Data Solution. The purpose of Get Data Solution is to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic report, to reduce cost, to increase productivity, and to manage project progress. Get Data Solution provide different tools like dashboard and other data management tools. So today we'll see a very important topic, which is a Gantt chart for project management, and we'll see how this Gantt chart is actually performing to manage project progress. Just before coming to this, and it has instruction and benefit page. Here is the instruction page where you put your, your inputs here. This is the instruction page, and this is the benefit page, and it is also has got for whom this is recommended. Actually, this is recommended for project managers or program managers, project or program team, M&D coordinators or M&D lead, and middle staff, team coordinators, and even for individual project owners. So let's come to the Gantt chart content. Here you can fill your project name. You can fill your project name, and you can even fill other element if you like. Here the inputs are these sections, and the output is on the right side. Here is the first is activity. You can insert your activity list. Then you can insert the start date. Here we have end date, duration, and the status. Actually, we will insert the activity, the start date, and the duration, and the end date will be automatically displayed. Here we have a status that shows completed and pending, and then we'll have this beautiful Gantt chart in the right toward the right side, and let's practice how this is actually working in real time. So we'll insert the start date, then the end date, for example, is currently it is the activity duration is 10. Here is from April 1 to April 10. That shows like this one. If I change this, for example, to 15 days, it will actually come to this. Can you see it? Yeah, 15 days, and the status is completed. If I make it pending, it will actually change the color. Let's do for another activity. For example, for activity 2, if I make it 10 days, can you see it? Start from 7 and end on 16th of April, and the status is completed. If for the next one, for example, if I make it currently it is on pending, if I make it completed, yeah, it will change. If I make the date, for example, 15 days, it will actually display. If I make it 20 days, it will actually display the actual days those that activity actually take. So this is a very dynamic Gantt charts that can be used for tracking project progress, and we simply insert our activity, the start date and the duration, and pick from the drop down menu the status. That's all. So we can actually have uh, this beautiful Gantt chart for tracking our project. Apart from that, we can also highlight uh, a specific date we want to highlight. For example, in this case, April 16 is highlighted here. If I make it April 22, can you see it? The highlight will actually dynamically change. If I make it 10 to 8, can you see it? If I make it April 5, yeah, it actually moves. So you can highlight a specific date of your interest, and uh, that will automatically moves across the days. So this is very important Gantt chart to track project progress. You can uh, insert your activity here and the start date, then the duration, and the end date will be automatic. And then simply you can actually select the status from the given options as a completed or pending, and even you can actually add other statuses if you like with different colors. So for this I have used pending and completed options. So this is very important, and project managers and program managers can use this, and even individual uh, business people can use this Gantt chart to track their business affairs. So this is very important, Gantt chart to track project management as well as any other business affairs. So I recommend this to use uh, for your project management or business management. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and share also to your friends and colleagues. So if you subscribe for this channel, you will get other data management tools like this one, which is very important for your business and for your project. Thank you very much for coming and visiting our channel, and bye bye.